This is a Macropad with a desk buddy living on top of it. It works exactly like your normal keyboard, but with only the keys you actually use. And the best part? No Python script layer required. Just plug in and it works. To know how I built this, watch till the end. Your one subscribe gives us the motivation to create more, so hit that subscribe button right now!
Today's video is sponsored by JLCMC, one of the world's leading mechanical component suppliers. They offer competitive pricing, high-quality products, and lightning-fast shipping. With over 6 lakh plus SKUs, you'll find almost everything you need for your next project. For my upcoming build, I'm planning to order a timing belt from their transmission section. What I really like is how easy it is to customize parts. Just select the options on the left, and you instantly get the full specifications and documentation. Once everything looks good, simply add it to your cart. You also get $123 in discounts. watching.